Hello everybody, this is Steven Shed, the Fan Man here. This here today is my Lasko 20-inch box fan. I just received it today. My mom bought it for me at the dollar store for $17. This is a 20-inch Lasko box fan. And here it is in its original box, as you can see. So, we're basically going to have a show and tell of this fan. We're going to do the speed, the side view, and we're also going to give more details about it. So, this here's the box. And as you can see, this is also a 2015 model, 3-speed. And we'll see here of what the special things it can do. More air power, more comfort, 3 quiet speeds, top mounted controls, easy carry handle, made in USA. Not bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the fan and have a better view of it. Move the box here. Okay, here we are, folks. Here's our 20-inch 3-speed 2015 Lasko box fan. And here's the Lasko logo here. Here's the handle and the speed control. Side view. Other side. Here's the back. Okay, now we're going to fire it off. We're going to start off at the low speed. Puts out a pretty good breeze, even on low speed. Medium. And at last but not least, the high speed. Okay, now we'll turn it off. And we'll see the spin down time. Okay, now we'll get a startup sound. This is much better than the Lasko fan I had before. You all may remember the Lasko box fan that I had last year, but I was already having problems with it. The bearing in it, I don't know if it fell over or it tipped over, but it knocked the bearing loose and it was vibrating really bad and shaking and squeaking, and it had a crack in between the hub and the blade. And some time ago, my brother knocked it over accidentally and shattered the blade, so I had to take and throw that in the garbage. So now I've got this new thing to look forward to. So what I'm basically going to do is that I'm going to take and oil the bearing in it eventually. Hopefully it might run better. So hopefully I'll go a long way with this fan, and I'm going to take good care of it and give it a lot of love, and hopefully it'll be with me for a long time. So there you have it, folks. There's my 20-inch 3-speed 2015 Lasko Box Fan. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.